The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome Truck is one of the most extraordinary transformations of a classic American big rig into a fully functional, luxurious rolling home. It combines the raw power, durability, and iconic design of the legendary W900 with the modern comforts of a motorhome, delivering a unique lifestyle vehicle that caters to long-distance travelers, full-time RV enthusiasts, and those who want to embrace the open road without compromising on style or convenience. From the moment you lay eyes on this truck, the long hood, gleaming chrome grille, twin vertical exhaust stacks, polished aluminum fuel tanks, and extended cab all remind you that this is no ordinary RV. It's a machine with heritage, one that has been the backbone of American trucking for decades, now reimagined into something that doesn't just get you from point A to B but allows you to live luxuriously along the way. When stepping into the cab of the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome, the first impression is a blend of trucking tradition and high-end modern design. The driver's seat is a plush, leather captain's chair with ergonomic adjustments, heating, cooling, and memory functions, ensuring comfort during even the longest hauls. The dashboard layout respects the classic analog design with large, easy-to-read gauges for speed, RPM, oil pressure, and temperature, but now seamlessly integrates digital screens that provide navigation, multimedia controls, and real-time performance data. The large steering wheel gives drivers a commanding feel, while the visibility from the elevated cab is unmatched, allowing you to confidently handle highways, interstates, or winding mountain passes. Advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure alerts, blind spot monitoring, and collision mitigation make operating this massive vehicle far easier than it would have been in earlier generations, reducing fatigue and enhancing safety. Behind the cab, the W900's transformation into a motorhome becomes clear. The living space is expansive and meticulously crafted, with designs that rival the finest luxury RVs and motorcoaches. The open-plan layout provides a sense of spaciousness, with slide-outs that extend to widen the living area when parked. Inside, you'll find a lounge that includes plush sofas, recliners, and a full entertainment system complete with a large flat-screen TV, surround sound speakers, and smart connectivity for streaming or gaming. LED ambient lighting lines the ceiling and cabinetry, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for evenings on the road. Storage space is abundant, with custom cabinetry, hidden compartments, and wardrobes ensuring that long-term travelers can carry everything they need without clutter. The kitchen area is another highlight of the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome Truck. Unlike smaller RVs that often rely on compact or scaled-down kitchen appliances, the W900's large chassis allows for a nearly residential kitchen setup. Full-size stainless steel appliances such as a refrigerator, induction cooktop, oven, and microwave are available, alongside solid-surface countertops, double basin sinks, and high-end cabinetry. This makes preparing meals on the road just as easy as cooking at home. For families or couples who travel extensively, the ability to prepare and enjoy full meals while parked at scenic locations is one of the greatest luxuries this truck offers. Some custom layouts even feature a small dining area with booth seating or freestanding chairs and tables, perfect for both casual meals and formal dining. The sleeping quarters inside the W900 motorhome are designed to provide maximum rest and relaxation. Depending on customization, owners can opt for a king or queen-sized bed with memory foam or hybrid mattresses, ensuring hotel-quality comfort even in remote locations. The bedroom often includes built-in wardrobes, bedside tables, reading lights, and dedicated climate controls, making it feel like a private retreat. Some layouts feature secondary sleeping options, such as convertible sofas or bunk beds, making it suitable for families or groups of travelers. The bathroom facilities are equally impressive, with options for full-size showers, porcelain toilets, solid countertops with vessel sinks, and high-end fixtures. This allows travelers to enjoy all the comforts of home, even when parked miles away from civilization. Performance is where the Kenworth W900 motorhome sets itself apart from traditional motorhomes. Powered by a high-torque diesel engine, often from the Cummins X15 lineup, this truck generates massive pulling power that allows it not only to carry its heavy motorhome conversion but also to tow additional trailers, boats, or toy haulers with ease. With horsepower ratings in the 500 to 600 range and torque levels exceeding 1,800 pound-feet, the W900 is built to handle long hauls across mountains, deserts, and highways without breaking a sweat. The modern automatic and automated manual transmissions available in the 2025 model ensure smooth power delivery, reduced fuel consumption, and an easier driving experience compared to older manual-only configurations. While other RVs can feel underpowered or sluggish when loaded with gear, the W900 motorhome thrives under pressure, offering confident acceleration, steady cruising, and exceptional control. One of the standout qualities of the 2025 Kenworth W900 motorhome truck is its durability. Unlike many recreational vehicles built on lighter-duty chassis, the W900 is engineered to handle millions of miles of service as a working truck. This means that as a motorhome, it's built to last far longer than typical RVs, with lower maintenance issues over time and higher reliability on extended journeys. The chassis, suspension, and axles are heavy-duty, designed to withstand commercial use, which translates to incredible stability and durability for motorhome owners. This makes it a top choice for travelers who plan on using their vehicle year-round, whether for seasonal trips, full-time living, or cross-country adventures. Safety and convenience are also at the forefront of the W900 motorhome design. Modern braking systems with electronic stability control, air disc brakes, and automated emergency braking keep the truck secure on the road. Multiple camera systems offer 360-degree views, aiding with parking, lane changes, and maneuvering in tight spaces. The elevated cab not only provides safety in collisions but also makes drivers feel more in control, with a commanding view of the road ahead. Inside, features like climate zoning, noise insulation, and vibration dampening make life on the move quieter and more comfortable. Owning the 2025 Kenworth W900 motorhome truck is as much about lifestyle as it is about functionality. For many, it represents freedom, the ability to take a fully equipped home anywhere in the country while enjoying the legendary appeal of an American trucking icon. It's perfect for individuals who love the trucking culture but want the comforts of a high-end motorhome, or for retirees who want to travel in style without relying on hotels or traditional RV parks. Customization options are nearly limitless, from exterior paint schemes and chrome packages to interior layouts, flooring choices, and luxury materials. Each W900 motorhome can be tailored to its owner's exact vision, making every unit unique. Ultimately, the 2025 Kenworth W900 motorhome truck is a statement of power, prestige, and practicality. It's not just an RV, it's a true powerhouse on wheels that blends heritage with modern innovation. It delivers unmatched durability, a luxury lifestyle, and the ability to tackle long journeys with confidence. It's a machine for those who want more than just to travel, it's for those who want to live boldly on the road, surrounded by comfort, technology, and the spirit of adventure. With its combination of iconic design, high-end customization, and unstoppable performance, the 2025 Kenworth W900 motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a legacy reborn into a rolling dream home for a new generation of explorers.